Hello there and welcome back to another episode of Peyton 3.0's EDM World News. After 10 years in business, Mr. Whompy, womp womp wub dubstep honey, Mr. Whompy will be selling his infamous ice cream truck that sold Rave themed ice creams, okay, for the last 10 years. And honestly, I did not know that. But yes, he's giving it up. This is Peyton 3.0's EDM World News. Take it away. Please stand back as the Empress of EDM in the Milky Way galaxy is approaching. Please watch out for Andromeda. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Hello there and welcome back to Peyton 3.0's EDM World News. Hello, I'm Peyton 3.0. And thank you, the EDM and drum step vocalist Zombie Supreme. If you're here today, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and comment. I want to thank all of the Zombitron / Peytonators who always come in every day and enjoy a video from me. And you participate, leave a comment, you leave a like, you interact. I want to thank you, and for all the new electronic dance music fans, so I keep burping in your ears while I'm talking. I want to thank you, and hopefully you'll become a supporter. So let's get around into the news story. Bristol's Rave ice cream truck is on sale after 10 years in business. Freshly mixed just for you. That's what he says to his customers. Mr. Whompy, an ice cream truck turned mobile DJ booth in Bristol, is up for sale after 10 years. I want to guess Bristol, is that London? Co-founded by Stuart Wilkinson and his friends Sam Ford and Neil Radcliffe. The Rave ice cream truck is known for its high energy pop-up DJ sets at Boomtown and Upfest, among many other locations. Wilkinson first purchased the bumping truck from a seller in Wolverton, Hampton in 2013, according to the Bristol Post. I think this is definitely the UK. Definitely the UK. Wilkinson and his friends gutted the entire truck at the time, swapping the ice cream machines for DJ decks and benches. Okay. But now that the trio are getting older and their goals and aspirations are changing, they're looking for a buyer to continue Mr. Whompy's legacy. I can't really put into words how much fun it's been, but we're all getting a bit older and had different priorities, Wilkinson said. I've just had a baby. I think it's time to take it to the next level. Someone else can give it the same passion and attention that we did for the last 10 years, he says. Okay. Since Wilkinson and his friends found that Mr. Whompy, they have taken it all around the country, becoming mainstays at El Rose, Motion, Lakota, the Full Moon, Lemon Fest, and more. The truck's biggest event was Boomtown Festival, which amasses around 78,000 attendees each year. It's a great opportunity for someone or a group of people, Wilkinson added. It's completely unique. Unless you created something yourself, this is the opportunity for a ready-made thing that can make money right away. You can do weddings and corporate events to balance it out and generally have fun, a bit of fun. If you're a DJ, it's even better because you get to DJ on it. if you're interested in purchasing Mr. Whompy, you can reach out to them on the EDM.com website in the article that I'm reading it from. Okay? So actually, I want to show a couple of videos from Mr. Whompy. I want to show a couple of videos, so give me just a moment to turn the screen right around. Mr. Whompy. Oh wait, you can't even hear it. Hold on. And let me turn up the sound. Okay. I mean, that's a stellar idea, first of all. Surprised somebody in the US came up with this, an idea like this. Or maybe they have, I just don't know about it. There's Mr. Whompy again at another festival. All right, so that was Mr. Whompy's truck, and you know, basically just kind of glimpses of his journey throughout the 10 years of that truck. What it was really all about. So there was no ice cream. I read the title, seen the truck. I thought they were selling like Rave ice cream themed, you know, ice creams. But that's not what it was. But it was a clever idea. So anyway, hopefully somebody great will buy it and turn it into something even just as good or better. Thank you so much for being here. This has been Peyton 3.0's EDM World News. We keep it short today, as we usually do for these episodes now. So go ahead and leave a comment, like and subscribe. What's your thoughts? Are you from the UK, from Bristol? Have you seen the truck? Do you think it's a cool idea even if you're not from? I believe it's the UK. Correct me if I'm wrong. Bristol's in the UK, right? Anyway, I don't have time to research right now that particular fact. So let's get to the call to actions. My electronic dance community, I'm on Snapchat at Peyton3_0, Twitch twitch.tv/Peyton3_0. Get on the email list, okay? Email list is how I can directly connect with you as a supporter. The way I cannot connect on social media, because I don't control the algorithms or the robots, so I don't program anything, but my email list I can control to get the messages directly to you for upcoming music projects, merchandise, etc. And as a gift, you get 3 free unreleased songs from me in direction that I'm hitting musically in EDM at this moment. Okay, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, get on them. SoundCloud, I have it up, but there's only one song on there right now that is available for listening publicly. It's a song called Turn Up, Let the Music Heal You, and it's a great song. I like it, back from 2016. YouTube, right here on YouTube. So comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next page 3.0's EDM World News. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.